welcome your sweet faces right back here to must-haves in your office and gaming setup, episode 4. This is the Pixoo 64 from Divoom. I appreciate them sending it out, legends. So the box itself is absolutely fantastic. It's an early 18th century piece. I'm joking, obviously, but when you open it, a bit of stuff falls out, you know, thank you cards, warranty cards, the stuff you don't really need because you're going to hang it on your wall and hopefully it doesn't break. So anyway, comes with a nice leaflet, tells you a little bit about things, you know, what they do on their website. Definitely recommend you check them out, of course, using the link in the bio. Comes with the user manual, which everyone will end up throwing away because it's plug and play. There's really nothing more to it. The Pixoo Max itself, though, come on now, this is a work of art. It's beautiful and it's huge compared to the Pixoo Max, which is above it. As you can see, it's tiny. Unfortunately, the Pixoo 64 has to be plugged in constantly. It doesn't have an internal battery, but anyway, it comes with a beautiful USB-C cable and some hanging hooks that you might not really even need, because on the back you've got some little hanging thingies, and yeah, that's all you need really, is a nail in the wall. Anyway, on the back you get the stand if you want it on your desk because you're different and you don't want it on the wall like every other person because you're not a sheep, you're a shepherd. Okay. The USB plugs in the back, pretty standard, and hides away beautifully. When it turns on, it does a beautiful animation, not to show you it's 16, 11 or 32. It's 64 pixels, hence the name 64. Download the app, connect it to the Wi-Fi. Thing connects within seconds, so you know it's super fast to get a photo of Sonic right on your screen. There you go, bish bash bosh, like that. This thing's a lot better though than Pixoo Max because it actually allows you to track your social media networks and also in-game. So I've got here Fortnite, it will show you the winnings, your score, how many kills you've had, so forth like that. It works on Apex, League of Legends, Overwatch, Fortnite. Hopefully they'll be adding a few more for other games on there, but it also shows you different like financial stuff. You've got games, you've got socials, you've got clocks, and it works. I have it on the wall. It shows how many followers on Twitch, how many subscribers on YouTube, how many followers on TikTok, all that sort of stuff. So it's definitely worth having it if you are looking at getting something to show that on stream. Check the link in the bio. This has been the Pixoo 64, and I appreciate Divoom and every one of you guys for helping me, because without you guys I wouldn't be able to do beautiful reviews like this. So I'll see you all in the next episode where we're reviewing a product from Grid Frame Studios.